Oh man, what am I gonna do? All these pills? That visit with Dr. Nocebo really put some fear in my mind. But I did feel better when I was on my way to the doctor's office. What if I get sick? What am I supposed to do?
Alex! How many times do I have to tell you? I'm the professional. I'm the one that knows about your health, and you are suffering from Meyer-Munchowitz syndrome. Do you know all the negative consequences of this? You're going to have a utopian skin rash. Your hair is going to fall out. You're going to have conjunctivitis of the nose. I already told you this. And of course, going along with that is anal leakage. Do you want these things? Well, listen, that's why I said take these drugs. Fear not, Alex. Placeboman is here. I'm here to help you save the day. Listening to Dr. Nocebo? Well, that's your problem. Why? Because what you think is going to create your biology. And what does he offer? He doesn't offer any hope. He offers all these negative symptoms. Yes, lose your hair, get a utopian skin rash, right. Well, you don't know it, but I have to tell you, your thoughts are going to create your biology, and Nocebo's thoughts are not giving you any health at all. All they're doing is making your future dark and scary. Look, Placebo Man! I'm the professional. I know what's happening right here. And your idea that you're giving him false hope that he could heal himself, I am the healer. And I know better than you. And that's why Alex has to take all these drugs. And don't try to warp his mind into thinking he can heal himself. I am the professional healer here. And you be quiet now, because I have the degree and you don't, Mr. Placebo Man. So pay attention to me. Now, Alex, listen, when Nocebo says those things to you, what do you think is happening? Your brain is going to release stress hormones and chemicals such as cortisol and epinephrine and histamine and cytokines. These chemicals actually will shut down your system and open you up for more disease and infection. What are you saying? Nocebo, come on. What do you expect Alex to think when you give him a future such as that? I don't care what Alex thinks. I am the professional, and I'll tell Alex what he should think. Now, Alex, you must recognize a very simple fact, that genes don't control our biology. The new science epigenetics says environment, and our perception of life controls biology. So what perceptions are you offering your 50 trillion cells? Are you giving them a thought of a healthy, happy future? Or are you scaring them to death with very negative syndromes? What do you know?
Enough. Stop arguing, please. This is not helping. I think I've learned a lesson here in my ongoing experiences with Dr. Nocebo and Placeboman. The videos are meant to be metaphors for how our perceptions and our beliefs actually can determine the way our health unfolds in our day-to-day lives. Dr. Nocebo is a metaphor for the Placebo Effect, where negative expectations about our health can actually create illness. And Placeboman is a metaphor for how our positive belief and our positive thoughts can create positive health outcomes. These videos are not meant to demonize or to put shame upon the medical industry or doctors. In fact, we are only trying to indicate how our consciousness and our perceptions are very important in how our health unfolds. The more that we create a positive image of our health in our minds, the better off we are. Where going to the doctor and taking pills can be a secondary option, but first, make sure that you have a positive belief about your health.